Discussing on Monday, page 152, round off. Prepare the questions for Monday so that you can discuss them. Every year we read about natural disasters such as hurricanes that hit the eastern parts of the USA, flooding in Europe and parts of Asia, or forest fires in Australia. Describe and discuss a recent natural disaster that you've read or heard about. Jag översätter. Varje år läser vi om naturkatastrofer som till exempel orkaner som drabbar de östra delarna av USA, översvämningar i Europa och delar av Asien eller skogsbränder i Australien. Beskriv nu och diskutera en aktuell naturkatastrof eller någon katastrof som hänt nyligen de senaste åren som du har läst eller hört om. Think about these questions. When and where was it? What happened? How were people affected? What damage was there? Jag översätter. Tänk på de här frågorna när du diskuterar. När och var det? Vad hände? Hur drabbades folk? Vilken skada var där? I have heard about a natural disaster in Sweden, in the north of Sweden, a couple of weeks ago in Västerbotten. I will show you a picture. This is an example of what happened in Västerbotten. There were heavy rains falling for several days, a couple of days. It caused serious flooding and traffic problems. Many roads collapsed. Many roads fell down. About 20 roads were destroyed in the rains. Big roads from the south of Sweden to the north of Sweden. So trucks could not pass from the south to the north, and the roads were closed and cannot open until they are rebuilt. When and where was it? I talked about it. What happened? How were people affected? What damage was there? I talked about it. There were also problems with electricity. The electricity collapsed for a couple of days, so no one in this area had electricity to warm the houses, to cook food, etc. Another problem were the floodings. Some houses were flooded. The water rose into the houses and destroyed everything. The people had to leave their houses and cannot go back because the houses were destroyed. Also, a big factory was destroyed. Now it's your turn to talk about a recent natural disaster that you have read or heard about. Second question. What can we all do to slow down global warming and have a greener life? Vad kan vi alla göra för att sakta ner, minska global uppvärmning och få ett grönare liv, ett mer ekologiskt liv? Look at this good advice to help you answer the question. Titta på följande råd för att hjälpa dig att svara på frågan. Don't waste it. Släng inte bort det. Turn it off. Stäng av det. Turn it down. Vrid ner det. Do it less. Gör det mindre. Do it locally. Gör det lokalt. Do it yourself. Gör det själv. Recycle. Återvinn. Swap. Byt. Repair. Reparera. Share. Dela med dig av. Discuss this advice and list 2 or 3 of the most important things you can do to slow down global warming and have a greener life. Så, diskutera de här råden. Tycker ni de är bra eller inte? Gör också en lista på 2 eller 3 av de viktigaste sakerna som du kan göra för att minska den globala uppvärmningen och ha ett grönare liv. Discussion phrases. Words that are good to know when you discuss. I think that. Jag tycker att. Jag tänker att. Jag tror att. I believe that. Jag tror att. Jag tänker att. Jag tycker att. My opinion is that. Min åsikt är att. I don't think so. Jag tycker inte så. I think so too. Det tycker jag också. I agree with you. Jag håller med dig. I don't agree with you. Jag håller inte med dig. Also, också. Dessutom. What do you think? Vad tycker du? Vad tänker du? Vad tror du? What is your opinion? Vilken är din åsikt? It depends on. Det beror på. Maybe, but. Kanske, men.